Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block ads on any website in the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. There are two methods to bypass ads on Opera GX browser. One is built-in and one is with the support of an extension. I will show both the methods. So let me start without any delay. So first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one extensions. This will open extensions page. Here you will find a built-in extension that is Opera Ad Blocker. Just turn on this one toggle switch or click on this one enable button to enable Opera Ad Blocker, and from now onwards you should not see any ads in any website you visit. In case it does not work for you, you need to install one extension. For that, again open Opera GX browser and click on this one menu icon. In the drop down menu, hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one extensions. Now click on this one link in the left sidebar, get more extensions. This will open a new tab in Opera GX browser. Once the extensions tab opens, in the search box type AdGuard. In the drop down menu, click on this one AdGuard. Now click on this one Add to Opera button. This will download and install AdGuard add-on on your Opera GX browser on Windows PC. Once AdGuard is installed, it will download database filters, the latest updates of the AdGuard. Once completed, you will see something like this. From now onwards, when you will visit any website, you will not see any ads on that website, such as gearupwindows.com. Just visit it without enabling ad blocker and see the difference after disabling and enabling ad blocker on your Opera GX browser.